The universe is a unit and everything is interdependent and interrelated. And that is what my investigation, my research is about. I use my work to explore the most minuscule aspects of nature and how everything is interconnected. I want to create pieces that are alive, that self-generate, and they continuously are transforming. In this piece, I'm elaborating on the relationship between the intangible forces that govern absolutely everything and our tangible surroundings. So the main material in the piece is not perceptible. I have electromagnetic fields and gravity propelling the work. There are over 80 coils distributed around the space, and when they receive the voltage, they emit an electromagnetic field, and it attracts the tangible element. There are 43 pendulums, and they are intertwined. So there is this complex texture of movement in which we see patterns that emerge. And as this happens, we hear these cascades of sound. Sometimes the pendulums are swinging, sometimes they synchronize. But that is something that I haven't designed. That is something that naturally emerges in the work. And it is actually how things function in the natural world. The natural world self-organizes. There are random events under certain laws and conditions. And out of that, an organization like humanity, like cities, like planets has emerged from very minuscule interactions. One really has to experience the work in person. It's in constant transformation, and there is a deep interaction between the artwork and what is happening around the space. Even the outdoor temperature in the building will manifest in how the work behaves. This is a big experiment for me, and I'm super happy to work with Locust because that is what this organization is all about. Asking artists to dare to develop a dream, something that has been in one's mind for a while and we haven't been able to do it before. My hope is to create a state of awe, like a deep connection with these essential elements that constitute and unite all of us.